Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can buy Telegram stars with Binance. So first, Telegram stars are the new in-app currencies used to pay for digital goods inside Telegram mini apps, replacing previous bot payments. Now here is the step-by-step guide for using Binance for buying or purchasing the Telegram stars. Now, option 1 is convert crypto to the fiat, then pay for stars. Now, log into Binance. Then on the app or website, you can sell crypto to fiat like NG and USD, Euro, etc. Use Binance P2P to sell USDT or another crypto. Choose a buyer that pays to your local wallet like your OPE or any other bank. Receive fiat in your local wallet. Confirm the payment, then ensure funds are available in your mobile wallet or bank. Then open Telegram, go to mini app that uses stars, tap the in-app purchase option for buy stars, then choose the payment method. You will be redirected to the third-party Telegram stars payment processor like Wallet, Google Pay, Apple Pay or local gateways. Pay using your local fiat balance. Use the money from your Binance to P2P sell, for example, from OPE or any other bank. Complete the purchase and stars will be added to your Telegram account. Now here is the alternative method via crypto wallet and Telegram bots. Some Telegram bots, especially crypto-based games or tools, may accept crypto directly or offer to top up stars with USDT or other tokens. In that case, you can withdraw USDT from Binance to your crypto wallet. Then interact with the Telegram bot or game, then use their crypto to stars conversion features if supported. Not all bots support this yet, depend on the app. Here is the important notes for you. Telegram stars are for in-app digital content only. They are not transferable between users. Stars purchases are final, no refunds once converted. Telegram takes a 30% fee on stars purchases like Apple or Google Card, but might give some bonus when buying directly through desktop. So that's pretty much all thing about purchasing Telegram stars with Binance. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.